Welcome to stoneCIRCLE, our masonry company located in the beautiful Hampshire countryside. The idyllic setting of Hampshire with its rolling hills and picturesque landscape provides a stunning backdrop for our factory and showroom. But despite our rural location, we are just a short drive away from Basingstoke Station and the M3 motorway, affording excellent transport links to London and the south of England. Founded in 1968 by Bernard van Hinsberg, stoneCIRCLE has been providing its customers with high-quality stone products for over 50 years. Bernard, a self-taught stone carver and letter cutter, believed in providing superb quality and unparalleled service to his customers. A collection of abandoned farm buildings, the shot hanger was bought by Bernie in 1982. Over the years since, we have expanded the workshops, offices, showroom and yard to enable us to be one of the leading masonry companies in the UK. Today, led by Jeff and Steve van Hinsberg, stoneCIRCLE continues to honour its founders' philosophy by sourcing raw materials from all over the world and using the latest technology and equipment to produce high-quality products. Most of our machines are computer numerically controlled, providing excellent accuracy and improved productivity. However, we still value traditional hand skills and employ skilled masons who carry out the final finishing and quality control by hand. Our work can be seen in private residences throughout the country. But we don't just work for the residential sector. Working with contractors, designers and architects, we have completed many prestigious projects in the hospitality and retail sectors. From stylish hotels and restaurants to chic department stores and boutiques, stoneCIRCLE has a proven track record of delivering high-quality products and services. Our attention to detail and commitment to quality have helped us create truly stunning spaces that are both functional and beautiful. At stoneCIRCLE, we take our environmental responsibilities seriously. We have implemented several measures to reduce our impact, such as rain and production water recycling, which makes us almost self-sufficient in water. We also use solar panels to provide 40 kilowatt hours of electricity, and surplus stone from production is collected and crushed for use in construction. We are committed to continued growth and improvement, both in terms of technology and the skills of our workforce. We strive to invest in the latest technology and the training and development of our employees to ensure that we can continue to provide our customers with the highest quality products and services. Thank you for choosing stoneCIRCLE, a company dedicated to quality, innovation and environmental responsibility. Come visit us in the beautiful Hampshire countryside. Talk with us about your project and experience our commitment to excellence for yourself.